Welcome back to the first module, Vocabulary, Unit 1, Part 2. So, in the last class, we dealt with the first part of Unit 1, where we have looked into the synonyms, antonyms, phrases, and idioms based on a particular passage that is given in your textbook. Today, we have some sort of general exercises based on the same aspects, synonyms, antonyms, and certain things that relates you to the vocabulary. So these are general questions, not from any particular passage. So practice exercises, and for each two question you have some sort of directions. So the first two questions, from the first two questions you have to find out the meaning of the words or phrases that are given in the given in italics. And also you have got this multiple choice, and these are multiple choice questions, and you have got four answers. You have to select from that. So the first question is, he was lauded for his significant contributions to aeronautics. So the word that is italicized is lauded, and you have options: appreciated, defeated, rewarded, ridiculed. So the answer is appreciated. Lauded means appreciated. So more synonyms on the word lauded: apprehend, salute, admire, revered, relish, appraise, applauded, accelerate, acknowledge, venerate, and treasure. So, and also now we look into the phrases for lauded or appreciated: to hold in high regard, flip over, take pleasure in, etc. These are only certain important phrases. You can find a lot in the dictionary. Now coming to the next question, that to have the same instruction. Several animal species have been annihilated due to human encroachment upon forest areas. So here the word italicized is annihilated, and the options are created, threatened, discovered, eradicated. So it's about human encroachment, forest area. So even though the word appears to be new, you can make a guess and find the answer, and the answer is eradicated. And we'll look into more synonyms of eradicated or annihilated: eliminate, erase, exterminate, abolish, remove, uproot, extirpate, obliterate, etc. And phrases: get rid of, do away with, stamp out, strike out, clear out, ink out, etc. Now we'll move on to the next question. Next exercise. Next exercise has few other instructions. So fill in the blanks with the right word. You will be given two words. From that you have to choose the right word. The questions are: the server at the bank was dashed by cyber criminals. The two options are morphed and hacked. And so from the this sentence itself, you can understand that the answer is hacked. So synonym, of course, you know that the meaning of hacking and the difference between morphing and hacking. Hacking is attacking the computer with some sort of spam message or virus and take away all the details and breaking the websites or pages. And morphing is something else, that is some sort of alterations that you make in the photos or any kind of information. Okay, synonyms for hacked: cut, chop, slash, brook, drudge, manure, moth-eaten, etc. Because later only with the with the era of computers, this hack, the word hacked, is taken to that digital language. Earlier the meanings were like this: cut, chop, slash, brook, drudge, etc. Anyway, some kind of slashing or maneuvering happens when a computer is being attacked. That's why hacked. Now the synonyms for morphed: alter, contort, distort, ring, transform, transmute, etc. That is easily understandable. Now phrases for hacked: muddle through, come to grips with, have a grip on, etc. And morphed: yo-yo it, that is of course, a term that emerged from the Urban Dictionary of these days. Now, coming to the next question. All kinds of foreign consumer brands are now available at our local store because of the dash policy, and the words given in the brackets are localization and liberalization. So, and the answer is liberalization. And I guess you have already studied a chapter on going global, and this globalization in your in your first semester, especially in the writing on contemporary issues paper. So if you have thoroughly studied that, there is no difficulty in understanding the point mentioned here. That's a common text for all, so I guess all of you are familiar with this, the difference between localization and liberalization. Localization means like you are trying to promote the locally available things in the markets that are locally available near your house or near your wherever you are staying. And liberalization is something else, where all kinds of foreign consumer brands are available in the local store. When you go after the branded things, that can be termed as liberalization. These things, as I mentioned, you have studied in that lesson, in that text writing on contemporary issues. Anyway, answer is liberalization. Availability of foreign consumer brands in the local store is termed as liberalization. So synonyms for liberalization: free, relaxation, deregulation, slackening, etc. And for localization, it is narrowing, laterality, etc. And we won't be able to find any phrases for this, because of course you know that these are that terms that deals with certain facts or economic policies that prevailed. Now coming to the next exercise, here we have to look into the antonyms. Pick the word opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in the given italics. So here you have to write the antonym. I urgently need your car tomorrow. Will you oblige me? So the meaning of oblige is agree to help, and promise is also a meaning of oblige. So you can actually take refuse as the example, as the answer, because you need to find out the antonym. So these are the options: agree to help, refuse, promise, and or none of the above. And the answer is refuse. And don't forget, here you have to choose the opposite meaning as answer, not the synonym. Anyway, you can find some more synonyms of oblige and as well as refuse. I have taken synonyms and phrases for both the words. So first we look into the word synonyms for refuse. Synonyms for refuse are decline, disapprove, reject, reprobate, disdain, and repudiate. And those for oblige are favor, indebted, impel, abetted, etc. Phrases for refuse are turn one's back on, turn down, etc. And for oblige are twist one's arm, do a service for, and many other terms that you can find when you read more and more. Now coming to the next question in this session. I was upset by his hostile attitude, and you can find hostile in italics. So hostile means a kind of a negative approach. So yeah, that is the meaning. Here the options given are friendly, negative, positive, inimical. But the what is the opposite of hostile? Most suitable word here is friendly. And now we look into the synonyms for friendly as well as hostile. The synonyms for friendly are amiable, congenial, cordial, benevolent, affectionate, bonhomous. And those for hostile are bellicose, antagonistic, aggressive, contentious, etc. Phrases that can be used for friendly are have an easy time, all her heart, etc. And for hostile, passive aggressive, set your face against something, up against the wall, and many other. So these are the two examples that are given in order to find the antonyms. Now we will move on to the questions that are related to idioms and phrases with the correct meaning of the idioms or phrases that are given in italics. First question, I ran into Ajit and his family at the mall yesterday. And the options given are collided with, planned a meeting, met unexpectedly, did not see. So the phrase ran into means met unexpectedly. And you can find more phrases here: chanced upon, hit upon, bumped into, turned up, tumbled upon, etc. And synonyms for ran into are struck, met, encountered, faced, stumbled, so on. Okay, hope the idea is clear, and we'll move on to the next question. The man who just left the bank made off with all the money in the cashier's desk. The word in the phrase in the italics is made off with, and the words that are given as the sentence phrases that are given as options are gave the money to the cashier, withdrew the money, deposited the money, stole the money. And the answer is stole the money. We look into more phrases for stole the money, ran off with, walked off with, made away with. So these are the some of the phrases for stole the money or this made off with, or the phrase made off with, ran off with, walked off with, made away with. And the synonyms: abscond, escape, hooked, hijacked, poached, grabbed, seized, snatched, or looted. And you can find innumerous words for this in the internet if you search. And now we'll move on to the last question, which is a bit different from all the questions given so far we have dealt with. You have to just find the correct spelling of the word, correctly spelt word. Here differential is given and differentiate is given, and we know that differential doesn't have this spelling. So we'll choose the correctly spelt word as differentiate. So anyway, we'll look into the synonyms also, since we are more focusing on the vocabulary part. We'll look into the synonyms of differentiate here, and definitely this will be a question. Don't ignore the spelling part of it, because this will definitely be a question for your exams, as 1 mark or 2 mark question it will be. So please focus on the spelling. Anyway, we look into the synonyms first and move on. So the synonyms can be distinguish, demarcate, discern, classify, ramify, etc. And phrases are mark off, set off, key out, sort out, cross out, and make out. So here our first module, first unit ends, and we'll move on to the next unit in the next class. Until then, do revise your portions, do read the vocabulary part again and again, so that you can be familiar with the words and be thorough with the new words. And we'll meet with a new passage and new type of questions, especially prefix and suffix and all those details in the unit 2. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.